Hi everyone, Dayron here with Rodriguez Cleaning Services, and today I just want to answer a common question that we get almost every day when we are out there cleaning carpets. And the question is, what are those ugly black lines around the baseboards and under doorways? Well, those black lines are called filtration lines. What's a filtration line? A filtration line is mostly known in our industry as accumulation of soil in the fibers, in the piles of your carpeting. Let me explain you how this happens and if it's cleanable. The way the filtration lines happen, the way you get that accumulation of soil in, is very simple. In most homes, you should have the air duct blowing air out, and you should have a return pulling that air in the system. Basically, you should have circulation of air. A lot of homes don't have a return line, and what's happening is that all that air going into the room tries to go out, and what it does, it tries to go out, get out of the room through the cracks on your baseboard, through your walls, through the door. With the years, all the soil in your carpeting, because we don't vacuum very often, because we don't clean professionally our carpets, all that soil gets pushed to the edges, and we forget to vacuum those edges. And that soil is very fine, very microscopic, and it gets embedded into the fibers, and many times it goes all the way down in the padding of the carpeting, and it's very difficult to remove. Is this soiling, these filtration lines, cleanable? Yes, it is. It's very hard to clean. It's very difficult to get out, but there are steps and procedures that we can follow, or another company, that with a lot of work, with a lot of hard work and good solution, the soil can be removed many times. We don't guarantee the removal of that soiling, because if it's been happening for many years, there's a really good chance that all that fine microscope soiling is all the way down into the padding, and there's nothing we can basically do about it. There are procedures we can follow to fix it, but the cost will be much higher than just getting brand new carpeting. But if you have the question about what those black lines are, it's called filtration line, and it's just accumulation of soiling around the edges of your carpeting. I hope I have answered that question for you, and if you have any other questions, or you need help with carpet cleaning or the removal of those filtration lines, please give us a call. My name is Dayron. I'm the owner of Rodriguez Cleaning Services. Our phone number is 502-365-6779. Thank you.